Good morning, students. Today I will teach you active and passive voice. Before learning active and passive voice, what you need to do, you need to revise your tense very carefully. So let's start with what is an active sentence. In an active sentence, the subject does the action, while in a passive sentence, the action is done to subject. So I will explain what is active and passive voice with an example. So see, Gopal repaired the computer. This is your active sentence, where your Gopal is your subject, repaired is your verb, and computer is your object. Subject, the one who performs the action. Verb, any work done by the subject is known as verb, while the work done on the thing is known as your object. So when we change it into passive voice, so your objects becomes your subject. See, here your object, computer is your object here, but when we convert into your passive voice, it becomes your subject. And the sentence, this is an example of your past tense, simple past. So in past, what we use was any verb, while the form of verb will be, third form of verb will be used, and before subject what we add, by, and then your subject becomes your object. So in the first sentence, you can see the subject is doing the work. Means, as we read, subject does the action. Gopal is your subject and he is repairing a computer. While in passive sentence, the action is done to subject. What action is being done? The computer is being repaired by Gopal. Got it? Now we will move to present tense. First we will see the examples of present, then further we will see past and then future. For today I will tell you only of present. First we see simple present tense. Everybody knows the formation of simple present, that is the subject plus first form of verb plus ses plus object. When we convert this into passive, I already told you, your objects becomes your subject. So the object which comes at end will come in first. Object, it is present tense, we will use is mr, plus the form of verb will be changed into third form. Then before subject what we write, by. This is the most important. Changing into passive, we need to introduce by in front of subject. Now we see the example of simple present tense. He writes a letter. This is the example of your simple present or present indefinite. I told you, now see very carefully. Letter, he is your subject, writes is your verb, and letter is your object. I already told you, your objects become your subject. So this object will come in front, a letter. As I told you, it's in present. What is the formation? Is. Write. What is the third form of write? Second form is wrote, third form is written. He will change into him, and before subject what we introduce, by. So what will be the formation? A letter is written by him, and rest of the examples you will solve yourself. Now moving into present continuous. Present continuous, everybody knows, the work which is being carried on, जो काम अभी भी आपका चल रहा है, active. When we see the formation of present continuous, The formation is subject plus is MR plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Now converting into passive voice, your objects become your subject. So object will come in the front, is MR as it is, plus it's in continuous. So what we will write here, being, plus first form. पैसिव में आप जब भी चेंज करेंगे वर्ब की हमेशा कौन सी फॉर्म आएगी, थर्ड फॉर्म. एंड सब्जेक्ट से पहले आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू व्हाट वी विल राइट, बाय, देन योर सब्जेक्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, माई फ्रेंड इज कुकिंग द फूड. माई फ्रेंड इज योर सब्जेक्ट, is your helping verb, cooking is your verb, main verb, and the food is your object. Now your object will become your subject. That means the food is, what is the formation, being, and cooking की third form, cooked by my friend. Okay, now we'll see present perfect. Present perfect tense ends into चुका है and चुकी है. मैं यह काम कर चुका हूँ. Now we will see the formation of present perfect tense. In active, subject plus has, have plus third form of verb plus object. Has and have, you know, with plural we use have, like with I, we, they, we use have, while with he, she, and with any name we use has. Now when we convert into a passive, your object will come in the front, object plus has, have plus been. What is new in this? Been plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject. So she has taken a cup of tea. What will be the passive? When we see the formation, your object will come in the front. A cup of tea has been, what is the third form of taken? It's already in third form. The formation is already in the third form. So taken will be written as it is, by. She will